at 11733 Ridgeway Park Drive, and we are here. Hey you guys, we had another successful open house. We had some wonderful people to come in to tour this beautiful condo. They gave us some great feedback on price and condition. And so we are hoping to get a buyer. But now it's that time to find out who our lucky winner is. You ready, Mom?
Yes, I am.
All right. Let's see what we have.
Guess who is the winner? The winner is
Christopher President. All right, so Christopher President was actually the first guest to come in to view this condo. So Chris, we are definitely going to reach out to you so that we can give you your gift. All right, so just want to say that if you know anyone who's interested in purchasing a condo that has 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths in the Ballantyne area, this is it, you guys. It's only $265. It's definitely priced below market value, and it's waiting for you. Until then, thank you and be blessed.